This game is called Horse Race. There's lots of variations of this game, but we're going to play an addition version today. This game is great for grade 2 or grade 3 students who are working on addition skills. It's also really great for students who are a little bit older, who need some intervention and need to practice some of those foundational skills. So this game is played with 2 players, and for each pair you need one of the dice trays that they can share together, as well as one of the game mats. So let's get started. Player 1, that's going to be me. I'm going to have the blue dice here, and my partner, player 2, is going to play with the white dice. I'm also going to use a whiteboard to record my math and keep track of it. I'm not going to use the printed game board here. I'm just going to use the black tray instead. So this is going to be the tray that we're going to use to accumulate points. So blue, I'm going to be on this side, these 3 columns, and white will be on the other side. The clear part of the tray, this is going to be the barn. This is where we discard cards that are out of play. So I'm going to put it up there. So what we're doing is trying to make the largest sum by rolling 3 dice. So I'm going to go first, player 1. I'm going to take my 3 dice, shake them. We don't shake and throw. We shake, we drop, and catch, and then that way they don't go flying. So what I'm going to do with my 3 dice is I'm going to look for a friendly way to add these numbers together. So I have a 4, a 2, and a 4. Well, I really like working with doubles. Doubles are easy for me. So I'm going to say 4 plus 4 is 8. And then my friendly 10, 8 plus 2 is 10. The way that I can represent this is 4 plus 4, you can even put it in brackets, plus 2 equals 10. Okay, player 2 is going to go now. They have to try and beat 10. Shake and drop. Ooh, look at this. So player 2 also got doubles. So maybe they're going to say 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus another 2. 5 plus 5 plus 2. This is 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 is greater than 10. So player 2 won that round. They get to put their 3 dice in the race, and my 3 dice go with the barn. They're discarded. Okay, then we're going to play again. I'm going to go first. This game teaches kids or helps kids practice the associative property of addition. So the idea that it doesn't matter the order that we put the numbers in, they're going to add to the same sum. So it's beneficial to find friendly ways to add them. Okay, ooh, interesting. I have a 2, a 4, and a 6. I can make 10s really easily, so I'm going to go ahead and make a 10 with my 4 and my 6. So I have 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 2, well 10 plus 2 is 12. So I have 12, player 1 has to beat 12. Okay, 3 dice, drop, and catch. Look at that, they also have doubles, but I'm going to do a different strategy here. I could do 2 plus 2 plus 6. That gives me 4 plus 6 is 10. But I think I'm going to do 6 plus 2, because I know my plus 2s really well. So I know 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8. So here I have 6 plus 2 is 8. And then I can make a friendly 10 with this by adding another 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. Well, 12 is greater than 10, so I get the point this time. My dice goes in the racetrack, and my partner's dice goes in the barn. And that's it. We just keep playing and finding interesting strategies. Now, if the students aren't ready for 3 dice, you can also play this with 2 dice. 5 plus 3, well, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, so I have 8. My partner is going to roll 2 dice. Look at that. We have a face-off. So I'm going to roll another 2. They're going to roll another 2. Whoever beats this round gets all the points. I'm going to get, 6 plus 4. That's easy. I know my friendly 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. My partner, look at that, doubles. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 is the greatest number that we have here, which means that they get all of these points. It's gonna look kind of messy with the blue, but that's okay. So now my partner has all of these points, and we keep playing. So you can definitely play with 2 dice as a modification for students who might need that. So that is a horse race. Have fun.